Breaking news today, after being convicted of reckless homicide, Jason Meade could be released on bond later today.
I hereby reinstate Mr. Meade's bond on the same conditions that were previously imposed.
Good afternoon. We're glad you're joining us here for 10 TV News at noon. I'm Tracy Townsend. This spring, you'll remember a jury found Meade guilty of reckless homicide, but the bond reinstatement comes as we are still waiting to hear whether prosecutors will retry the murder charge. 10 TV started following this story back in 2020 when former Franklin County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Meade shot and killed Casey Goodson Jr. His family has been in court every step of the way, and now the family says they are still waiting for justice. 10 TV News reporter Carla Rogner was in the courtroom this morning. Carla, walk us through what happens next.
Yeah, today, Jason Meade was originally supposed to be sentenced on the reckless homicide conviction, but that sentencing cannot happen until the murder charge is either dismissed or prosecutors decide to try him for a third time. This morning in court, Meade's defense team argued that he should be released on bond until prosecutors make their decision. Last week, we learned the prosecutors brought the case back in-house, and they no longer plan to use outside special prosecutors as they did for the last two trials. Judge David Young asked prosecutors if they will retry the murder charge, but they wouldn't answer and said it is something they're discussing. Sean Walton, the civil rights attorney representing the family, has been supportive of a retrial.
That's our expectation. You know, we said that after the verdict. The family remained steadfast in that regard. He took Casey's life, and you all heard the facts and the circumstances of that.
Attorneys for Jason Meade say it's frustrating that prosecutors haven't made a decision yet.
Their inaction is telling us they're going forward with it. We don't believe that that's proper. We're going to file a motion to dismiss this case once it gets assigned to a new judge. That count. We're also going to file our standard motions with regard to change of venue. I don't see how this case can be tried in this county for a third time.
Judge David Young is the judge that's overseen this case from the beginning. This morning he asked to recuse himself, and the case has now been reassigned to Judge Julie Lynch. Now a new judge, new prosecutors. As for what happens next, we'll wait to hear prosecutors' decision on whether they'll decide for a third trial. There is no deadline on when they need to make that decision. Reporting live at the courthouse, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.